Welcome friends. In our previous video, we had studied the statement and proof of the Einstein criteria. Now in this video, we will solve some examples by using Einstein criteria. First example is show that x square minus 2 is irreducible over the set of rational. So first we revise Einstein criteria. What Einstein criteria says? If f of x is a non-constant polynomial belongs to polynomial ring Zx, and if there exists p such that p square does not divide a naught. What is a naught? A naught is a constant term of this polynomial. P divides a naught, p divides a1 up to p divides an minus 1, but p does not divide an. That is, p divides all the coefficients of this polynomial except the coefficient of the highest power of x. Here the highest power of x is n and coefficient of x raised to n is an, and p does not divide an. Then f of x is irreducible over the set of rationals. Now here we write f of x is equals to x square minus 2. This belongs to polynomial ring Zx because here the coefficient of x square is 1 and this minus 2. 1 and minus 2 belongs to set of integers. Therefore this polynomial belongs to polynomial ring Zx, and as degree of this polynomial is 2. Therefore f of x is non-constant polynomial. F of x is non-constant polynomial. Now here highest power of x is 2 and coefficient of x square is 1, and the remaining coefficients are only minus 2 and constant term is also minus 2. So by Einstein criteria, if there exists prime p such that p square does not divide minus 2, p does not divide 1 and p divides minus 2, then f of x is equals to x square minus 2 is irreducible over the set of rationals. Now if we set prime p is equals to 2, 2 is prime number, then p square is equals to 4, and 4 does not divide minus 2. This prime equals to 2 does not divide 1, that is p does not divide coefficient of the highest power of x, that is coefficient of x square, which is 1. 2 does not divide 1 and 2 divides minus 2. Therefore f of x is equals to x square minus 2 is irreducible over the set of rationals. Second examples, show that phi p of x is equals to 1 plus x plus up to x raised to p minus 1 is irreducible over the set of rationals where p is prime. Now note that this notation phi p of x is for this polynomial. In this polynomial, coefficients of the phi p of x are 1. Here the constant term is 1. Coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of other power of x is also 1. And coefficient of x raised to p minus 1 is also 1. And this p is prime. Now note that whenever phi p of x is reducible, implies that phi p of x plus 1 is also reducible. That is, this statement phi p of x is reducible is p, and pi p of x plus 1 is also reducible is q, and we have from this p implies q. We know that this statement is equivalent to negation q implies negation of p, that is negation of q is phi p of x plus 1 is irreducible, and negation of p is phi p of x is also irreducible. So if we prove that phi p of x plus 1 is irreducible, then we get phi p of x is also irreducible. So phi p of x is equals to 1 plus x plus up to x raised to p minus 1. This can be written as x raised to p minus 1 upon x minus 1. As phi p of x is equals to this term, implies that phi p of x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 raised to p minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1. So here 1 and 1 get cancelled. So x plus 1 raised to p minus 1 upon x. Now expansion of x plus 1 raised to p is p choose 0 x raised to p 1 raised to 0 plus p choose 1 x raised to p minus 1 into 1 raised to 1 plus up to p choose p minus 1 x raised to p minus 1 into 1 raised to p minus 1 plus p choose p x raised to p minus p 1 raised to p minus 1 upon this x. Now this expansion equals to, here p choose 0 is equals to 1, therefore this term equals to x raised to p plus p choose 1 x raised to p minus 1, 1th power of 1 is 1, plus up to p choose p minus 1, here x raised to p minus 1 equals to x raised to 1, that is x, and plus as p choose p is equals to 1 and x raised to p minus p is equals to 1 and 1 raised to p is also equals to 1. Therefore this term equals to 1 and this minus 1 upon this x. Now this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Take x common from these terms. So we get x into x raised to p minus 1 plus p choose 1 x raised to p minus 2 plus up to p choose p minus 1 upon x. Now this x get cancelled. So equals to x raised to p minus 1 plus p choose 1 x raised to p minus 2 plus up to p choose p minus 1. Now here p is prime. It is given that p is prime. And note that p square does not divides p choose p minus 1. P divides p minus 1. P divides p minus 2. Up to p divides p minus 1. Up to p divides p minus 1. But p does not divides 1. That is p does not divides coefficient of the highest power of the x. And so by Einstein criteria, phi phi of x plus 1 is irreducible over the set of rationals. And as phi phi of x plus 1 is irreducible over the rationals, this gives that phi p of x is also irreducible over the set of rationals. Now note one thing, that p choose 1 is equals to p factorial upon 1 factorial into p minus 1 factorial. P choose 2 is equals to p factorial upon 2 factorial into p minus 2 factorial. Then p choose p minus 1 is equals to p factorial upon p minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. P choose p minus 1 is equals to p factorial upon p minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial.